So we're quite proud of Latvian city Liepāja, who is planning to be climate neutral in 2030. So basically, they understood that they had to do something about it, that they had to take serious steps towards energy efficiency and climate neutrality. Therefore, they wanted to optimize all their businesses that are owned by municipality, meaning that municipal enterprises like utilities and different type of other companies were equipped by our equipment. And basically, it gave them an opportunity to understand the existing baseline at this point. And from that point on, they were able to understand which particular companies in their company portfolio are the most critical ones with which to start.